do the similar kind of thing in order to delete our comments. So in this file of comments.php where we are showing our comments, you can see I have this button of delete. So first of all, let me add some comment on this post. Submitted successfully. Refreshing this page, you can see this new comment. So if you want to delete this comment, you have to create another file with the name of delete comments, because if you hover on this button, you will have this text delete comments.php, id is equal to 30. So this file of approve comments, I'm gonna save this file as delete comments.php. So the structure of this file will be same. First we will get our ID, then instead of admin name we don't have to add the admin name, and we have to modify this SQL. So this SQL will be delete from my table of comments where ID is equal to this search key parameter. That's it for deleting comments. So we will say comment deleted successfully in success message, and in the error message something went wrong, try again. This is it for deleting comment. So if I save this one, and first let's bring some comments to this section of unapproved. So I'm gonna cheat a bit and make these ones to be with the status of off. Also this one. So if I refresh this page, you can see we have 3 comments here. If I click on this comment with the ID 13, delete, comment deleted successfully, that comment is not here anymore. And if I refresh this page, see, now we don't have that comment with the ID 13 anymore here. If I delete this comment with the ID 8, if I refresh this page, that comment is not here anymore with the ID 8. So that's how we delete our comments.